As a mom, we wear many hats. We are the nurse, the doctor, the plumber, the gardener, the cook, the chauffeur, the music teacher, the coach, the school teacher, the one who fixes the bird's broken wing, the animal advocate, the dog mom, the preacher. I think I'm the preacher the most. Do you ever find yourself saying things like,
do your homework, practice your piano, pick up the dog poop, don't forget to brush your teeth and eat your vegetables. Hurry up already, we gotta go, we're late.
Oh, I'm sure you can relate. Hey, I'm Daniela, the vegan mom, and today I want to talk to you about the importance of a mom in her child's life and in her family's life, and how that role can sometimes feel like a constant uphill battle that seems so draining and daunting and exhausting and scary, and at times can even feel like you fell into a dark hole with no way out. But I want to tell you that there is a light in the darkness and that there is hope. And that is what I want to share with you today. And God, our Father, says the most wonderful things about us women. He tells us she is like a sailing ship that brings food from across the sea. She gets up before daylight to prepare food for her family. She knows how to buy land and plant a vineyard, and she always works hard and stays busy till late at night. Her family has warm clothing, and she doesn't worry when it snows. She takes good care of her family, and her children praise her. Charm can be deceiving, and beauty fades away, but a woman who honors the Lord deserves to be praised. Show her respect. Praise her in public for what she has done. Women are very important to God. It was Mary, the mother of Jesus, and Mary Magdalene, a follower of Jesus, two women who witnessed the crucifixion of Christ, which was the darkest day in history. In those days, it was very dangerous for friends and family to be close during a crucifixion because they too could get arrested and nailed to a cross. There was no loud wailing, which was custom, but the Roman law prohibited the public mourning of those executed. So Mary and Mary Magdalene stayed quiet, but they stayed close, keeping watch over Jesus. And these two women who witnessed the day that changed history are teaching us a very important lesson. And this is the lesson. Whatever pain and darkness you are enduring, stay close to Jesus. When all hope seems gone, stay close to Jesus. But there is good news. This darkness turned into light. Jesus broke through the curse of darkness, and it was a woman who first saw the resurrected Jesus. It was a woman who first saw the light of the world. God asked women first to proclaim the light of the resurrection. So no matter your past, no matter your circumstances, no matter what darkness you have endured, there is a light that shines for you. It's your spiritual health that determines your mental and physical health. I have to confess, I personally always had a problem with this spiritual stuff, like what is spirit and who is God? I always pictured God as this old man in the clouds, watching me, waiting for me to mess up so he can whip me and spank me and yell at me. And of course, who wants to have anything to do with that, right? I don't. The only time when I felt something peaceful, not this world type of peace, was when I was singing or humming or playing my piano. Did you know that all of nature sings? Even the molecules in your body sing to each other. The heavens declare the glory of God, and the skies proclaim the work of his hands. Music is evidence that God is real and that he loves us. Music is the universal language. It is understood across all nations, across all cultures, race, age, ability, and disability. And it is the most powerful healing modality known to mankind. Music is the only modality that can reach the body, mind, and spirit at the same time and can reach our innermost spirit and heal it. Our spirit gives us meaning and purpose, and only through our spirit can we have communion with God. Only our spirit enables us to love others, including the animals. It enables us to love ourselves and to love God. And to love God means to love others, and that includes the animals. That means not to hurt them, not eat them, not use them for clothing and entertainment and for drug experiments. God told us that the animals are made to be our companions, that we are to protect them and to look after them. And only your spirit, if it awakens and if it seeks God's will, then you will know that protecting the animals and protecting those who cannot speak for themselves, that includes our disabled community, those who are weaker than us. We have to protect them from the evil ones, from the ones out there who want to profit from them. Okay? Only your spirit enables you to do that. Music connects us to spirit, to God, and to healing. And this is why sound therapy is part of my biblical wellness program called Back to the Garden of Eden, where I help women just like you lose weight, regain your health, achieve restful sleep, and naturally look younger. Restore your physical strength and energy. Reduce pain and inflammation, and address digestive issues. And we do it all in a way that also shows compassion for God's animals that he entrusted to us, and in a way that stays true to God's original plan for us. God told us in Genesis 1:29, "Look, I have given you every seed-bearing plant throughout the earth, and all the fruit trees for your food." It is God's will for our lives that we eat fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds. That is what God has given us for our food. And we really need to be honoring God and his original plan for us. And we do need to protect the animals and not use them for food and clothing and for entertainment. That's not what they were created for. God created the animals to be our companions. And so we need to honor God's original plan for us and for his animals. I've created a free workshop for you all. And if you want to find out more information about my Back to the Garden of Eden program, then go and watch that workshop right now. I will leave the link to it in the description below. And believe me, you will be so blessed if you watch this workshop. It is absolutely the bomb. I put literally several hundred hours into the creation of this workshop. So it is absolutely worth watching. So I encourage you to go there right now. Again, the link is in the description below. Go watch it now. Please like and subscribe if you want to be part of the vegan tribe. And if this video blessed you, please share it with all your friends so they also can receive this blessing. And until I see you next time in my next video, take very good care of yourself. Bye for now.